This is Schulz, senior economist at Berenberg. Japanese GDP grew at the same speed as the Eurozone's in Q4 2013, 0.3% quarter-on-quarter. But while that was a slight positive surprise for the Eurozone, which is slowly emerging from its confidence crisis and suffering from record unemployment rates, it was a disappointment for Japan, which should be supercharged by a huge monetary and significant fiscal stimulus. So is Abenomics already losing its magic? Only partly. The stimulus does show effects. Consumption growth accelerated a bit, while housing investment boomed. The one component of Abenomics which has so far failed to deliver the expected results is the devaluation of the yen. In 2013 as a whole, imports rose by 14.9%, while exports eked out a meager 1.7% growth. The improved price competitiveness of Japanese companies does not seem to boost export volumes yet, while the turbulences in emerging markets hurt Japan. In the short term, Japan faces significant further downside risks. The emerging market turbulences intensified in Q1, and in Q2, this increase in sales tax from 5% to 8% is likely to hurt consumption. The real risk for Japan, however, is the continued lack of serious structural reform. In order to boost its growth potential, Japan needs to open up its domestic economy to competition, reform the labor market, and address its extremely weak demographics. These reforms may be delayed or put off entirely now. The authorities may rely on even more monetary and fiscal stimulus for growth in the short term, but that would seriously increase the risk that Abenomics ends up as an expensive flash in the pan.